Okay, so we've got a polemical delivery. We've got organic biodynamic eggs, 2 of them. Then in this little bag we have some special fruits. We've got a lime, we've got some Sharon fruits, or also known as persimmons. I've got already 3 from last week, which I'm letting ripen by the sun, on the windowsill by the sun. So I'm just gonna add them in there, and they can all ripen. Ooh, they can all ripen all together. So they are the persimmons and the lime. The lovely lime. This goes there. Now let's open. Now we are opening the fridge box. Let's see what we got in there. See what we got this week. Okay. So this week I got. A bone broth, a chicken bone broth, free range and organic, and it contains spring water, chicken bones, 40%, carrots, onion, apple, cider vinegar, black peppercorn, pink Himalayan salt, thyme, bay leaves, and it's all organic. There's the bone broth. Then an organic unsalted butter and a double cream. That's it for the fridge this week. I didn't need much. And then now we're going on to the grocery. We got the grocery. So I make it a bit higher. This is the grocery package. It's quite big this week. Did I drop anything? No. Okay. So this is quite big today. You see how big it is? We've got a few items in there. Let's see. What do we discover? Right. Let's open it. Oh, let's have a look. So we have. There was an offer on the tortellini, so we got 2 organic vegetable tortellini, easy meal to make, organic and egg free, and there are 2 of them. 2. Then I have pita bread, an organic wholemeal pita bread, which is the best type of bread at the moment on the market, with no extra ingredients in it, and just organic and just pure, just with flour in this. Then I've got another flour, wholemeal bread, strong bread flour. Over there. Then I have a pack of brown rice penne, a brown rice fusilli, and some more pasta. This is quite lovely actually. This is oat pasta, and yeah, it's quite nice. It's a rigatoni. It's a half mezzi rigatoni, which is half the size of a rigatoni. It's quite lovely. It's made with oat flour, mainly oat flour. 51% oat flour, and then corn flour, brown rice flour, organic rice flour, and organic tapioca starch. So there is no wheat here whatsoever. 51% of it is incredibly tasty and creamy. Very nice. So they have an offer on them, and I got 2, and I can make pasta al forno, Italian style, which I will make a recipe very soon on video. And then there was another offer. They were offering, I got this organic chickpeas from Mr. Organic, and well, it's ingredients, just organic chickpeas and water, and that's it. So I've got 4 of them. There was an offer on it. I think I was 15% off for 4. So I got 4 tins. Then I've got my special ketchup, which is no added sugar whatsoever, just naturally sugar, it's like naturally sweetened. There's no sugar added. And this is what I get all the time, because it's the most basic and most simple. And the ingredients for this: Italian sun-ripe tomatoes, apple juice, apple vinegar, sea salt, cornstarch, spices, all from organic agriculture. So this is very nice, very tasty. No extra ingredients, not needed. So it's perfect. Perfect for that English breakfast. And then I have another raw organic coconut oil, which I used to make when I make some raw dessert, or I use it also for beauty lotions as well, and beauty cream, and just eating it like that with a spoon every day, 1 teaspoon. Just very nutritious, and it's very good for you. It's got very good fats. And then the last but not least, I just got this pumpkin pie mix from Steenberg's, organic Steenberg's. So this contains nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger and clove in powder form. I don't know, I think I'm gonna make some Christmassy cakes, or even just adding a little teaspoon into a porridge. So I just thought that would be a good addition, a good flavor addition to any sweet idea I have in mind. So yeah, so that's all. No, Phoebe, don't break it. So that's all we have for today. We got the eggs, we got the Sharon fruits, pumpkin spice, no spy, the butter and the cream, and the 4 chickpea, which I'm gonna make some interesting recipes with that. Some chicken broth for healing, and then the coconut, and all the pasta, the oat pasta, the rice pasta, the pita bread, and the tortellinis, and the flour for more bread making and more healthy cakes, and maybe biscuits, and nice unsweetened or naturally sweetened organic ketchup. That's it. That's all for today.